Here I have OUKITEL OKT1, and today I'm going to show you how to add a Google account on this device and also how you can remove it then. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the accounts section, tap add account, then select Google. Of course, here you will have to enter your email and phone number. I mean email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to agree with, then you have to, okay. Now you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you have to select if you want to enable Google backup feature. Like if you want to enable it, just tap accept. If you don't want it, disable this tick here and tap accept. An account will be added. So if you want to remove account, just select it here, tap remove account and confirm it. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.